help you to get
basic financing outline. Even will actually be discussed in the panel discussion. Lack of developer capacity to develop.
But also very clear interventions that were proposed.
The presentation we have from the committee, and we look at arrangement which in our view the Minister of Lands is working on. So there will be funding that will be required for that purpose. We need to do supply, but we need to have to hit. So you need a very sustainable arrangement.
We want to see a lot more Kenyans taking up this mortgage. First, I think Kenyans tend to be a bit more credit averse. You know, Kenyans tend to be a bit more credit averse. Attacking loans. So we need to show them that if there is one loan that you must have, it is a loan to own a home. The cost of construction has almost gone down 300% down since 2017. We were procuring at houses at 88,000 per square meter. Now we are doing it at 25,000 per square meter. That is a significant change. This agenda is a big contributor to the GDP because of all the backward and forward linkages. You know, there is cement which we produce here, there is steel which we're producing here, there are doors that we can make here. Doing affordable housing also is investing in ourselves. And one of the very encouraging statistics that came out the other day is that now our contribution to GDP has moved up to 11.8% from 7.5% in 2017. All right? Our target is to move to 15%, and we believe that we are definitely on our way to doing that.
For the first time, to reduce the rate of a mortgage, from a market rate of between 12 and 14% to 9%, which is exactly what an institution that has excess KMRC funding is giving now.